Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how I can send from PayPal to Gcash. So first thing that you should do is you just have to log into your Gcash account and then make sure that your Gcash and PayPal is connected. So open your Gcash, go to your profile and go to my linked accounts, and then you have to select PayPal. Okay, and then after that, you just have to make sure that they are linked together. So I already linked my accounts by tapping on this one. Then I just have to follow the process, and then you would be able to link the two. Okay, so once you are done, just have to go back to your Gcash homepage. Okay, and then beside your Gcash balance, you would be able to see there the cash in option. So you just have to tap on the cash in. That's right. And then after that, you just have to select PayPal from the options. And then you just have to input the amount that you want to cash in. So here, as you can see, we have a minimum of 500 pesos before we can cash in from PayPal to our Gcash account. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.